When making words plural, why do we add s to some words but es to others? And when a word ends in y, how do we know whether to change y to I before adding es? And why on earth does knife become knives? You can unravel these mysteries with 6 simple scoops of ice cream. Ready? Let's dig in. The first rule is simple. To make most words plural, just add s, as in scoops and cones. The next yummy rule involves es. If you hear the sound of is, add es, as in dishes and boxes. This rule is just peachy. If the word ends in a consonant plus y, change y to I and add es, as in cherries and puppies. And if the word ends in a vowel plus y, just add s, as in days and monkeys. Now here's the scoop on words that end in o. If the word ends in a vowel plus o, add s, as in pistachios or stereos. And if the word ends in a consonant plus o, add s, as in pianos, or es, as in heroes. You may have to consult a dictionary because there's no solid guideline on this last one. If the word ends in f or fe, we often change the f or fe to v and add es, as in loaves and knives. You can hear the v sound when the word becomes plural. Loaves, knives. Now some words ending in f don't change when they become plural. You don't hear a v sound, so you just add s, as in chefs and puffs. Are you getting full yet? Don't worry, we're almost out of ice cream. Our last rule is kind of, well, irregular. That's because some words don't follow the normal patterns for making plurals. Child becomes children, tooth becomes teeth, and ice, well, just stays ice. Well, that's it. 6 rules, 6 scoops of ice cream. It may seem like a lot of rules to you, but don't worry, we don't teach them all at once. We teach rules for making words plural one at a time, so kids don't get overwhelmed. After all, too much ice cream at one time isn't good for anyone, right?